Well, this is a poster animation that I just created directly in ChatGPT with the help of Adobe Express. So let me show you how you can utilize this really cool tool directly in ChatGPT to create poster, holiday card, or any design with just a text prompting. So here's how you can use it. Let's open ChatGPT, and then you can click on your profile picture right here, go to settings, and then navigate to apps and connectors and select Adobe Express. So click connect, and we need to connect the ChatGPT and Adobe account together so we can utilize Adobe Express directly in ChatGPT. And by the way, this feature is completely free. You don't have to pay for any of these services, and you can start utilizing ChatGPT or Adobe Express in ChatGPT to create some design. Now, there you go. The tool has been connected. I'm going to close this. So you can start generating a design with just a text description. And by the way, Adobe has provided some examples that you can try, and I'll put the link of this page in the description down below. But let's say I want to create a holiday greeting card. So I'm going to tell basically ChatGPT to call Adobe Express and then create a greeting card. Please generate a greeting card for the Christmas season. Okay, here click this plus button, click more, and select Adobe Express. This is important, otherwise ChatGPT might not be using Adobe Express to create or to process this instruction. Send a message and just wait for ChatGPT to call Adobe Express to come, and then you'll see that you'll get some designs or templates depending on your prompt, and you can choose, and then you can start generating some design or iterating the process. There you go. I think it looks great. Now let me try maybe this one. So how about editing the content? Well, just use a text description. So let's say I want to replace the background to be red. So let me tell ChatGPT to please replace the background color to red. There you go. Send a message and just wait. Now, one thing that I do notice when using Adobe Express in ChatGPT is that this is actually a bit slower than I want. Sometimes it might take up to 1-2 minutes just to process one instruction. So you might want to be a bit more patient when using Adobe Express in ChatGPT. But other than that, this still works just fine. You can use it to generate a design or show some templates. You can also ask ChatGPT to replace the background, replace the object, or add something, remove something, replace the text. Everything can be, a lot of things can be done directly in ChatGPT. Now I'm going to do something else. Let's say I want to please add some motion to the design. That's going to be the last one, and after that I'm going to try to download the content to my computer. So after this we can open the design that we just created in ChatGPT, but we can open it via the web version of Adobe Express. So yeah, this will take quite some time, and I'll show you the process later. Alright, so I got 4 different variations. It's the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. Okay, I think it looks great. Let me try using this. So how do you get this? How do you save the design to your computer? Just open the design, click this button, and then click open in Adobe Express. And you'll open the Adobe Express interface, and after that you can actually use the tool to modify a few things. You can change the animation, you can play around with the color, the layers, etc. So I'm not going to explain that in detail. I just want to focus on the usage in ChatGPT here. Now if you're quite happy with the design, you can click download, and you can select the format, and then you can save that to your computer. It is really simple actually, and I think this is very useful for anyone who might not be very familiar with a design tool like Adobe Express and just want to use a text description or instruction to do something or to design something directly in ChatGPT. So yeah, that's basically how you can use Adobe Express directly in ChatGPT. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.